Here are 3 stocks that are still under $50 for now. What is the first name that you are looking at right now?
It's Momentous. The ticker symbol is MNTS. This is a company, they're based out of San Jose. They're a relatively new company. They've only been around since about 2017. The excitement about the company is their core product is something called the Vigoride Orbital Service Vehicle. It had its first launches with SpaceX earlier this year.
Yeah, the chart is wild for this one.
The reason for that is not so much what the company's done so far, but what they're projecting to do in the future as far as revenue. Think of it as kind of an Uber for satellites. Once SpaceX's rocket drops off a batch of payloads into low Earth orbit, Momentous and its Vigoride unit basically picks those up and they deliver them to its precise final orbit. The company has contracts with DARPA and with NASA. And again, that's why investors are getting excited about the stock, because this isn't a profitable company. It's still a very tiny small cap company, but it's projected to grow revenue significantly over this year.
Chris, let's get on to this next name on the list. And this is one that I'm excited about.
Yeah, the name is Redwire. We've talked about it on the channel before. This was a stock that was under $20 yesterday. And just this morning, this stock's up 25% today, and the stock's over $20 a share as we speak. To the broader space economy, you just have to consider this as a space infrastructure company. They're providing a lot of hardware that's related and necessary for the space economy. As it relates to SpaceX specifically, Redwire provides hardware infrastructure such as optical imaging systems, sun sensors, camera technologies that SpaceX is going to be using. So SpaceX is one of its biggest customers.
Now, this is one of those really good picks and shovels plays that as the space economy grows, there's going to be more demand for the services that Redwire offers. And we are seeing that show up in the stock price.
Now, here's where it gets really exciting for investors. The company's own guidance says that it's going to be generating between $450 million to $500 million in revenue. Here's where the story gets even better. The company is saying right now it's got a contracted backlog of around $498 million, which is up 71% year over year, which means that they've got nearly twice as much new business in their pipeline as the money that they're recognizing in revenue.
Chris, let's get to this last name you have on the list. It's going to be a similar story.
Right. So the last name on this list, this is a Houston-based space exploration company. They're best known for their lunar lander. They deliver the NASA payloads to the lunar surface. They're expanding beyond the lunar landers, and that's what's got investors taking notice of it. This is Intuitive Machines, ticker symbol is LUNR.